How to deal with toxic people according to neuroscience and psychology. Mindstream, the idea's time traveler. Some people don't just drain your energy. They distort your reality. They manipulate. They gaslight. They blame, explode, withdraw, or control. And over time, it's not just your emotions that suffer. Your brain and nervous system do too. In this video, we'll explore what leading neuroscientists and psychologists recommend when it comes to toxic people, backed by real research and grounded strategies. Recognize the signs. Dr. Ramani Durvasula, clinical psychologist and expert on narcissism, says that toxic people follow patterns: emotional volatility, chronic criticism, manipulation and guilt tripping, gaslighting, making you doubt your own reality. Neuroscience insight: the brain doesn't just notice this, it's reshaped by it. Toxic interactions increase amygdala activation, your fear center, shrink the prefrontal cortex, focus and reasoning, and spike cortisol, your stress hormone. Over time, this leads to emotional exhaustion, self-doubt, and decision fatigue. Key takeaway: don't normalize dysfunction. Naming it gives you power. Regulate before you react. When you're triggered, it's easy to lash out or shut down. But emotional intelligence pioneer Dr. Daniel Goleman teaches, self-awareness comes before self-control. Neuroscience insight: tools like deep breathing, grounding exercises, or even a quick body scan shift you from fight or flight to rest and respond. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, restoring calm and clarity. Key takeaway: you don't have to match their chaos. Pause, breathe, respond with intention. Set boundaries without guilt. Dr. Brown says, clear is kind, unclear is unkind. Boundaries aren't barriers, they're bridges to healthier relationships. Neuroscience insight: healthy boundaries strengthen your brain's self-worth circuits, reducing cortisol and reinforcing emotional resilience. Think of a boundary as an act of emotional hygiene. Key takeaway: saying no is not selfish, it's sovereignty. Distance and detach when needed. Sometimes, the kindest thing you can do for yourself is walk away. In cases of narcissistic abuse, sociopathy, or chronic manipulation, no contact may be necessary. This isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Realistic example: imagine every interaction with someone leaves you drained, doubting yourself, or spinning in stress. Over time, your nervous system associates them with danger. That's not love, that's a trauma loop. Key takeaway: you can love someone and still protect yourself from their dysfunction. Rewire after exposure. Even when the person is gone, their imprint can linger. Therapists recommend CBT, journaling, somatic release, or even EMDR to retrain the brain. Neuroscience insight: these practices help reset your default mode network, the part of the brain responsible for identity, self-talk, and internal narratives. Healing isn't just mental, it's neural. Key takeaway: you don't just need space from them, you need space to reprogram you. Closing thoughts. Toxic people are real, but your brain, body, and boundaries are more powerful. Psychologists and neuroscientists agree. Name the pattern, regulate your response, set clear, kind limits, walk away when you must, and reclaim your peace with daily, intentional healing. Because you may not be able to change them, but you can change how you protect your mind, your energy, and your life. This is Mindstream. See you in the next video.